Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive into the latest gadgets shaping the world of tech and creativity. If you're here for authentic reviews with real insights, you're in the right place. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has just been released, and it's already turning heads. Action cameras are a crowded market, but Insta360 has managed to stand out with innovation, versatility, and features that often go beyond what competitors offer. With the Ace Pro 2, the company is aiming to deliver its most advanced action camera yet, designed for creators, athletes, and adventurers who want top-notch video quality without compromise. But is it really worth the hype? Let's break it down. The design of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 feels both familiar and refined. It's compact, pocketable, and rugged, as you'd expect from an action camera. The body is reinforced, giving it durability against bumps and drops, and it's waterproof straight out of the box without needing a housing. That's great for anyone who wants to take it surfing, diving, or just shooting in the rain. The lens is scratch-resistant and designed to handle tough conditions, which means you won't be worrying about babying it during your adventures. A big highlight here is the display setup. The Ace Pro 2 comes with a bright, responsive touchscreen on the back for navigation and framing, and a smaller front-facing display for vloggers and selfie shooters. This dual-screen design makes it easier to frame shots whether you're in front of or behind the camera. It's a thoughtful touch that gives creators more flexibility. Performance is where the Ace Pro 2 makes its boldest statement. It supports 8K video recording, something that very few action cameras can handle smoothly. The footage looks sharp, detailed, and cinematic, with plenty of flexibility for editing and cropping later. For most people, 4K is the sweet spot, and the Ace Pro 2 delivers stunning 4K footage at higher frame rates, perfect for slow-motion action shots. Whether you're biking downhill, skiing, or just capturing everyday moments, the video quality holds up across the board. Insta360's FlowState stabilization is back and better than ever. The Ace Pro 2 uses advanced algorithms and Euro data to keep footage smooth, even when the camera is shaking wildly. You can run, jump, or mount it on your helmet, and the video still looks steady. This makes it one of the best options for action sports where stability is key. On the software side, Insta360 continues to lead with features that set it apart. The Ace Pro 2 integrates seamlessly with the Insta360 app, where you can reframe, edit, and share content quickly. Features like AI-powered highlights, subject tracking, and automatic horizon leveling make it easier to get professional-looking footage without spending hours in post-production. For creators who want speed and convenience, this ecosystem is one of the strongest on the market. Battery life is solid, with enough juice to record for extended sessions, though heavy 8K recording will drain it faster. Thankfully, the camera supports fast charging via USB-C, so you can get back to shooting without long waits. Swappable batteries also give flexibility for longer trips where charging isn't an option. The shooting experience with the Ace Pro 2 feels smooth and intuitive. The menus are easy to navigate, the touchscreen is responsive, and the physical buttons are well placed for quick access. Mounting options remain plentiful, thanks to a magnetic mounting system and wide compatibility with existing action camera accessories. Whether you want it on a chest rig, helmet, or bike, it's quick to set up. Connectivity is another strength. The Ace Pro 2 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to transfer files or control remotely via the app. For professionals, it also includes options for connecting to external mics and live streaming, which opens up creative possibilities beyond just recording. This makes it not just an action camera, but also a tool for content creators who want flexibility in how they share their work. Price and value are key considerations. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 isn't cheap, but it's priced to compete with high-end rivals like the GoPro Hero line and DJI's Osmo Action series. For the money, you're getting top-tier video quality, unmatched stabilization, and an editing ecosystem that's arguably the best in the industry. If you're serious about capturing high-quality action footage, the investment feels justified. Of course, no product is perfect. On the plus side, the Ace Pro 2 delivers incredible 8K and 4K footage, rock-solid stabilization, rugged build quality, and powerful software features. The dual-screen design makes it more versatile for creators, and the mounting system keeps it adaptable. On the downside, 8K video eats up storage quickly and drains the battery faster, and the price may be a stretch for casual users who don't need such high-end features. So what's the final verdict? The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is one of the most advanced action cameras you can buy right now. It's built for creators who demand the best image quality, the smoothest stabilization, and a streamlined editing process. While it may be overkill for someone who just wants casual vacation clips, for adventurers, vloggers, and athletes, it's an incredibly powerful tool. If you want a camera that's rugged, versatile, and capable of producing cinematic footage straight out of your pocket, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is hard to beat. That wraps up our review of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Thanks for tuning in to Tap Tech, where we bring you authentic reviews and real insights into the latest tech. Stay connected for more deep dives into the gear that matters, and we'll see you in the next one.